guys, Mike here, SD Extreme RC, and today I got a video for you guys. I actually upgraded my tires for my 9115 Foxx S911 last week. Took a big bad hit, got hit by a car, broke off from the rim. This is the front passenger side tire here. I don't know if you guys can see that. See, yeah, sort of ruined my day. So got these bad boys here, the Hobby Power 110 scale off-road tires. Man, these things are awesome. Has a 12mm hex joint there, so they definitely fit the truck. So let's get these bad boys popped on and see what we got going. So hold on, guys. What's going on, guys? Mike here, SD Extreme RC. One thing I forgot in the last video is that when you get these tires, remember, there's two front and two rear. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the rear ones, of course, are much fatter than the front ones. So there's two in the front, two in the rear. So when you get them, just make sure you put them in the right places so everything will go well for you. So let's get these bad boys popped on real quick. Let's see. There we go. It's all good. These tires, they do have the foam inserts in them. They come that way. Don't want to tighten it up too tight. Ooh. And there you have it. Looks pretty good, man. There you have it, guys. Upgraded Hobby Power 10 scale off-road tires. So let's get it outside, do a test run, see how it handles. You guys be easy, man. Peace.